Well, hey guys, Juan here. Thanks for stopping by my channel and checking out this video. Today we're going to talk about Samsung TV Plus. It's another channel that you can download onto your smart device to take in some free content. Your Samsung TV Plus comes on all your Samsung devices. It's Samsung's free supported smart TV video service, delivering any type of instant access to news, sports, entertainment, and more. The great thing about this is there's no subscription required and no credit card needed. So right now I've got it on just a screensaver. I'm going to go ahead and take it off of that and show you what Samsung TV Plus looks like. Alright, so when you wake up your TV, right now it's playing in the background, but this is my menu here at the bottom. Now Samsung TV Plus, if you click down on your remote control and go to this bar down toward the bottom, if you have a Samsung TV, it's probably already pre-installed on there. So it's right there, Samsung TV Plus, 100% free. If you have a TV that is in the range, or that is in the year range of 2016 to 2021 or up to date now, it'll come pre-installed on there. So when I click on it, this is what the menu looks like. There are so many different channels out there that are free. I know Roku has their own free channel. There is like Pluto, Xumo, all kinds of free content out there. But Samsung, I like that this is already installed on your TV. You don't even have to like go through and find it. It's already on there. So if you have a Samsung TV, a newer one, you can start watching right away. Now Samsung TV Plus delivers free live TV that's on demand, and they're always adding new channels to it. So like for example, I watch this Kitchen Nightmares and it's always playing like in the background. So whenever I'm watching TV, or if I leave my TV and I come back, it comes to this channel for some reason. I don't know why, maybe because it's the first one on here at channel 1000. But you can just go through here and they have a popular channel section that you can watch. Go down here to currently watching. It's on some type of wildlife diaries. But here's all the feature channels that they have live above them, showing you that there's something that is showing currently live, like live TV. So you can watch, they have like a Baywatch channel, the guns of whatever that is, hot in Cleveland. You scan down a little bit more and they have your daily dose of reality. So if you are a reality TV nut like I am, then there's a bunch of reality TV shows that you can watch. Now for example, like that Kitchen Nightmares that I was talking about, that'll play one episode right after another of Kitchen Nightmares. You keep on going down. They got the Dallas Cowboys cheerleader, zombie house flipping, My Psychic Said, Bridezilla, Wipeout Australia. And then if you're wanting to watch movies, they have a movies section here, a most popular free movies section. So some of these are older movies, but you can just go over here and this is all free content. At First Sight, and then you can browse more. Go down a little bit further, and then here they have it sorted by like action-packed movies. So you got Wind Talkers, you got Shark Lake, and Blue Iguana. Some of these movies I've never even heard of, actually. Go down here to trending movies, and these are the ones that people are watching now. You got like Bull Durham, At Close Range. But yeah, all kinds of free content. Go down a little bit more. And then since I have been watching these Kitchen Nightmares, they highlight that right here, and it's got it broken down by the season. So there's season 5, episode 2. Alright, so you can go down a little bit further and break it down by movies. Let's go ahead and open up the movies tab. And then you can break it down by the genre. So they got comedies, you got thrillers, you got dramas, romance movies, action adventure movies, family movies. Now you may ask, how do you get Samsung TV Plus? Well, if you have a Samsung TV, it comes right on there. It's pre-installed on there. But if you do have like a Samsung mobile device, then you'll have to go through and actually download the Samsung TV Plus app. So one of the great things about this channel is not only do you get free TV with it, but you get a free TV channel like Bloomberg, which it comes in like 4K content. So I like that. Yeah, it is free. It's something, you know, usually whenever you get free content, it doesn't look as good. But with this, and I'm watching on a QLED TV, it comes in pretty clear. It's a very good quality, so I like that they are offering a good product here in the 4K content, because I'm kind of particular, and as I watch more and more television, I want it to, you know, look the best that it can. Now, it is free TV with no strings attached. You get your news, your entertainment, and more with this Samsung TV on your mobile devices or your Samsung TVs. But it's got over 160 different channels that you can watch, where you can enjoy, you know, thousands of hours of news, sports, and movies. But yeah, so this gives you a pretty good look at what to expect if you were to get into Samsung TV Plus, especially if you're looking to cut the cord and get rid of cable or cut down on some of these apps that you have to give you something to watch on your TV. So yeah, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Until then, take care.